Hi everyone, so for today's video, we are going to show you the top 7 travel essentials that we are going to take for our trip to Thailand. And first, we are going to show you the lightweight clothing.
Hi everyone. So Thailand has beaches, mountains, and cities. And whether you're going to any one of these destinations, the first thing you need to take is lightweight clothing, and also it has to be fast dry clothing. So for that reason, we have some of the clothing we have. This is kind of a cotton polyester blend, and you can see that this is really lightweight and very fast dry. So if you wash it, you can use every day. At night you can just wash it, and in the morning it's going to get dry. And then we have another example. For example, this is a Patagonia shorts, which is also fast dry, and you'd require this type of clothing for your island trip or boat hopping tour, because you're going to get wet. So if you're wearing something cotton, it's not going to dry, and it's going to take a long time to dry. So for that reason, and also keep your weight very minimal, you need lightweight clothing. So I recommend having a polyester cotton blend for at home or in the hotel. And for outside, you require something like polyester and spandex or nylon, which would dry very fast. So what is the next item?
So the next item is the sandals.
Okay. So what you're going to do for your Thailand trip, you require to have a waterproof sandal. So we have one like this, and walking lady has another one, which is not here actually. So these sandals, if you are wearing regular shoes on your boat trip or island trip, then it's going to get wet, and then you're going to get have wet feet all day long. But this one, it's a waterproof, and even if it gets wet, it's going to dry right away. And these are very comfortable and lightweight. You're not going to feel that you're wearing anything. And these you can wear even when you're in Bangkok, or when you're in the mountains, or when you're going to the beach or island. So get a pair of waterproof shoes like this, and this is going to make your travel a lot easier. So what do you have next?
So the third one is the day bag.
Okay, so a day bag is essential, and because you're going on excursions and you're going for your boat trip or island trip, so you need something like this, which also you can use at the airport or on the plane, wearing as a sling bag, and you can keep your passport and other accessories. But let's say when you're in Thailand, then you can keep your daily accessories you require. For example, let's say your phone, your sun blocker, or any other small items. So a day bag like this, or you can buy bigger than this, is a must essential. Also, just a bonus tip that if you're going to the island trip, buy a day bag which is waterproof, because this is not going to cut it for the island trip. The whole bag is going to get soaked. So for that, I recommend another type of bag, which is a water bag. We didn't bring it here, so you would require that too if you're going on an island trip. So what do you have next?
So the fourth one is the sun protection, which is not here also.
Okay, so we didn't forgot to bring sun protection. Take more than one sun blocker, because you're going to be using it throughout your trip. And the one thing is that these items are very expensive in Thailand, and also the quality is questionable. So if you're coming from countries where you have access to very good high quality sun blocker, then take as many as possible, or as much as you can, based on your luggage limit. So for example, we are taking 3 full sun blocker, although we are taking just one carry-on, but we have 3 sun blocker and one kind of a stick sun blocker, and they should be good enough for throughout the trip.
Yeah. Okay, I just want to add more about what you said, okay?
Yeah.
Because I remember when we went to Philippines, okay, I didn't bring enough sunscreen, okay? Because I thought I could buy it's very easy to buy sunscreen in Philippines, and I found out that it's very hard to find sunscreen in Philippines. I found one, and it's not really good, okay? I don't feel like it is really protecting my skin from the sun. Unlike here, we are very familiar to the sunscreen here. We know which one is working better.
Yep.
So before you go to your trip, buy the sunscreen from here or from where you are, right?
Yeah.
Because
And also you paid a lot of price, right? For the one you bought. It was
yeah,
expensive.
yeah.
Yeah.
And here you can buy on sale, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's good preparation.
Yep.
And the fifth one is the power bank plus
Power adapter. Okay.
adapter.
So power bank is a must, and we are taking actually a few different types. So for example, this is a little bit bigger. This is kind of a medium size, and this is a very small one. So I recommend take one or multiple power banks because you're going to be needing them throughout your trip, and also you're going to be needing them when you're on the plane. So these are like not too expensive, and just make sure that you have full charge before you leave. And this is something which is going to come in handy throughout your trip. So take one or more than one power bank.
This is very handy to me. Yeah, this is a
Because
tested already to me that this is very handy because it's very lightweight, it's very tiny, and for example, you have your phone. It's very you don't need a cable. You just have to insert it straight.
yeah,
Like
that's
that.
a big advantage of this. You can just put it on phone right without using any cable. So that's why you should have a combination or different types of power banks, and you can use based on what you are requiring.
Actually, there is another power bank,
Yeah.
but this is attached to the fan.
Yeah. So there are many power bank, but don't forget power bank.
So the sixth one is the
Oh, actually, wait. I forgot to mention another must item, which is you should take is the adapter like this or converter. So this is like converts. Let's say you're going to Thailand, it's going to just convert the plug system from Thailand to your country, and you can easily buy this from Amazon or other places. And these can cover like most of the countries in the world, and you can just have you can go to any country and you're not going to be out of power because this is going to convert your power from that country to your own country.
I remember when we went to Morocco, their power outlet is different than us, right?
Yeah.
So it has three. I think it has three
3 pins?
three pins.
I think, yeah, they have 3 pins.
And I remember I had to buy one from that country.
Right, because we forgot this one when we went to Morocco. So you have to buy one. So this is a must item you have to take when you're going to Thailand or any country.
Yeah.
All right,
So
what do you have?
so the sixth one is the. Actually, I cannot. What is it?
Oh, this is local SIM.
Local SIM.
Okay.
Even your writing, you don't understand.
Yeah, so whenever so one must thing you need in Thailand that to have network, to have internet and the local SIM, and we are actually carrying 2 phones, not even one. So I'm going to take 2 phones, and
Me
is
also,
going to
two
take
phones.
2 phones.
Yeah.
And you can buy eSIM before your trip, or once you're in Thailand, you can buy local SIM to have network all the time, which is very important because you don't know when you're going to need to text someone or message someone. So always have local SIM when you're at the destination, and I recommend having eSIM. And we're going to have several videos how to install Thailand eSIM, which is coming up shortly.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
What is-
So the seventh and the last one is my favorite, the portable fan, which is right here, guys. I have white one, but we will show you the gray one. So this is very useful, guys, okay, because it has so many uses. You can use this as a fan, so you just have to open it and turn it on, and now it's a fan. And I'm always hot, my hand is sweating, I'm always hot, and with this fan, it is very helpful to me, okay. So it is not just a power pan, it is also you can use it also as a power bank, okay. I'm just trying to turn it
I
off,
think you
guys.
have to press
Yeah,
it
now
for yeah, okay.
actually it's even, for example, you cannot turn it off from here.
Yeah.
You just have to touch with your finger and it will stop, and it will not hurt you because it's
Very soft.
very soft, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can also use this guy as a power bank, okay. So you just have to charge your phone here with the cable, okay. So not only that, guys, so this is also you can use as a flashlight, okay. So when we were in Thailand, when we were in Philippines, you know what?
Yeah.
Sorry, Daddy. Okay, you have to really cut that. So I'm just showing the flashlight already,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So you just have to, okay guys, so you just have to turn it here, like press hard and a little bit longer, and now you can see the flashlight
Yeah.
there. So I don't know if you can see guys because it's very bright, you know, it's daytime, but
Yeah, but I
yeah,
think
it's here.
it can be
Yeah.
visible.
And when you want to turn it off, you just hold it longer. Yeah, so it's off.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's it. That's the purpose of my fan. Very useful to me, and it's very luggage friendly. It is very small, you know.
Yeah, this is very good thing to
Yeah.
have when you're going to Thailand. So these are the 7 essential products you must take when you're going to Thailand. However, we are going to have more products and more Thailand tips and tricks video, which are going to be on this channel. So thank you for watching.
And we will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
All right, let's turn it off.
My God.